a Wheatstone bridge is balanced with the following resistor values. Sige nga, patunayan natin. Balanced daw eh. Pero yung R1 may question mark. Wala siyang value. Paano natin gagawin ngayon? R1 wala. So I would recommend using this. Yan. The one that I have encircled. Mag-cross multiply tayo. How do we do that? Cross multiply. R1 yung nawawala, di ba? R1. Okay. Next, anong natitira? R4, R2, and R3. Okay? R2, yan. I-arrange natin equals R2, right? 3 and 4 sa baba. Okay? We multiply. Ito, multiply. Yan. Over. Okay ba? Guess you guys? R1 is equals to R2 multiplied to R3 over R4. Now, let's check. R1, okay, that's the one we're looking for. R2 is anong value ng R2? 470 ohms. Multiply mo daw sa R3, which is 680 ohms. Over R4, which is 850 ohms. Correct? Now, R1, kasi yun ang hinahanap natin. 470 ohms, multiply mo sa 680 ohms, you get 319,600 ohms. Divided by 850. O, di ba? 850 ohms. Yan yung value ng R4. Okay? So, na-multiply natin si 470 sa 680, nakuha natin 319,600 ohms. Now, R1 is equals to, what do we do? 319,600 ohms, divide mo sa 850. And what do you get? We get 376 ohms. So, yung value pala ng R1 ay 376 ohms. Correct, right? Nakuha na natin yung R1. Kompleto na sila. Kompleto na yung apat na resistor. Lahat sila meron ng values. Paano natin ngayon malaman kung balanced ba talaga sila? We use this formula. R1 over R2 equals R3 over R4. Tama? Correct? Next, R1, ang value ng R1 ay 376 ohms. Ang value ng R2 ay 470 ohms. Equals, ang value ng R3, 680 ohms. Value of the R4 is 850 ohms. Parang copy-paste, ano? Okay? I-divide mo si 376 kay 470. I-divide mo din si 680 kay 350. And what do we get by that? 376 divided by 470 in ohms, you get, okay, 0.8 ohms. Tingnan nga natin kung equal ba talaga sila. 680 ohms, divide mo sa 850 ohms, you get 0.8 ohms. Ito to. It's true. Balance pala talaga sila because they both have the same resistance value. 0.8 ohms daw sila. Until the next lecture.